Hello. So I'm back with another video. First of all, Happy New Year. So I'm going to be making a prom dress, of course. And here are some of the materials that I will be using. You'll see I have some great colored mesh sequin lace fabric. It stretches two ways, but not the opposite way. And that's in the iridescent color. I have some nude that's going underneath for the lining and some horsehair. I didn't end up finishing the video with the horsehair, but it will get put in eventually once the dress is purchased. This dress is for sale. So you'll see me start in by cutting off the selvage on the end of the fabric, and then I'll go ahead and start with cutting the front of the dress. And excuse my voice, I'm a little sick. My little one is in daycare, so she has definitely been getting sick every other week. And guess who gets sick right behind her? Yep, me.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you.
Okay, so I finished cutting out the front of the dress, but what I like to do is in that little triangle space, I'll cut out a godet, which I'll use on the sides of the dress. So that's that missing piece you see right there. And I went ahead and just tried to measure that piece to see if I would use that for a sleeve, but I think it was a little too short, so I probably was not going to use it and just keep it as an extra piece for later or for something, maybe a swimsuit or something. Then I went ahead and cut off the selvage on the bottom of the dress, including curving the dress at the bottom. And again, my new prom pattern package will include this style. It'll have the front like this with the no seam in the front, and then it'll have the two godet pieces that will go on the side, as well as the two back pieces and a back godet piece, and this will be the mermaid. And that prom pattern package would be available in the printed version as well as the PDF version, and you can get it printed yourself. Okay, here you'll see I have that front piece laid across to cut out my back piece. And the difference between the front piece and the back piece it's tapered on, well, it flares out from the knee on both sides of the back. And you'll see what I mean once I finish cutting that out.
Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around love, right around the truth, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me off the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let you right around talk to me. Oh, I got that.
Okay, so now I'm going to cut out a second back piece. Of course, you need two since they're in halves. And because this fabric has the same pattern on the bottom as the top, I can line it up from either side so I can maximize my fabric. But a lot of these sequin lace fabrics, the top design is different from the bottom, so you need to be conscious of that when you're ordering your fabric. So here I have 4 yards, but normally I get about 5 yards of fabric. Also, you see me go ahead and lay down that godet from the side. So this is going to be for the second side. So I put it in that little space that it fits.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat.
All right, now I'm cutting out the sleeves. And I did have an extra piece, so I used the piece from here and the extra piece that was cut out. And we're just going to create 2 sleeves from that.
Change, but I noticed the end. On you on scene. Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene, so funny to be. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have
Cautious, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Hesitates. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body hesitates. My mind, my mind, and my heart.
Okay, so I took an extra piece of fabric and I'm going to be cutting out some of the sequin designs and then laying it across the top where the V-neck is. I guess Layla has something to say too. So I'm going to lay that across the V-neck and just so it doesn't look cut off to add a little bit more detail.
My body said, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? know my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
Also, I decided that it was a little too normal for me. So I went ahead and cut out 2 side pieces and added some mesh in that cutout area. And yeah, I just wanted it to have a little bit more pizzazz.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing back, I'm saying, baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in the watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance.
Okay, here's our final product. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if there are any other suggestions for dresses. Send me ideas and I'll try to recreate. I think that would be fun. Yeah, so bye. Thank you guys for watching.